Today I'm changing the front brakes because they are bad. When I tell you they are bad, like you can hear the squeak, and I was going to change them, and then I didn't because I work and I don't have time. But this side, oh my god, I could die in. See how low that is? Like that is really low. So I'm about to be changing it today. And first step, jack the car up obviously. And I got it on 2 jacks because some sketchy stuff going on, you know, missing wheel. But yeah. I'm just gonna fast forward to with the wheel off right now. And if the wheels are off, what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab, I think, a 14 for this, and then it's a 15 for the other one, or 13, and I don't know, kind of wrong, I never really did this. And while your wheels are off, I washed my car and the wheels, but you see how it's all dirty and black around here? I recommend while the front wheels are off, just clean it up in the wheel well and get it looking right. So both the wheels are off, and as you can see, this brake is kind of bad, it is bad. Can't even say kind of. Can't really see in there. And this one is terrible. Like really, really terrible. As you can see how terrible that is. Can't really see it in that one. But right now, I'm gonna take this brake off, take the other one off, hang it up, and go from there. Now that I got the brake caliper off,
now you need to put the brake back in the front first. You gotta put one of the brakes in there. Nah, nigga, you did that. You gotta put, that's the bullshit ass brake. Yeah, your shit looking like Houdini did that bitch.
I could have been dead already.
Yeah, you should have been half dead already, motherfucker.
And now I'm about to compress the piston. With
Yeah,
the C-clamp.
I did that shit with my fingers. See how that bitch bent?
And I'll get back to you.
Don't show them that part.
So I got the first one on the left side. Now I gotta get the right one. And I'm gonna just switch to taking it off. Loved you so bad. Make sure you lube it up with some lubricant. And put it back on there. Now that both brakes on, what you want to do next is compress it by pressing the brake until it's tight. And now, do a brake test. Stopping way better. Stops way better. I had to do the alignment because now it's pulling to the other side. It's pulling to this side now. First it was pulling to that side. That wraps everything up. Checking out good. And yeah. Catch you guys in the next one.